Testing 1, 2. This is a Sony lavalier microphone with the windscreen on. It is attached to my collar. We're using the fast track USB M audio interface. The mic input on the fast track is set to the max. The mix is set to 0. We're using mono. The output is almost all the way up. The line is about at the power indicator light. The computer's audio is set to max. The computer's audio input volume set to max. We can listen. There's street sound in the back. There is computer fan going. And we'll just see how that sounded. Okay, this is a test of the Samson Q7 handheld microphone on the tripod, or the mic stand. It is positioned about a little more than a foot from me, so that if I was using an eyesight camera, it would not be in the frame of view. We're using the same settings as with the lavalier microphone was at, with the audio interface having mic input all the way to the max. The mix is set to 0. We're recording in mono. The output is set almost all the way up to where the line is pointing at the power indicator light, and the computer's sound input is the input volume is to the max. The computer fan is going again. I hear minimal street sounds. We'll see how that sounded. Okay, this is a test of the same handheld Samsung microphone. I am now sitting about 4 inches from the microphone. I believe this will sound good, but it would not work if I was using the eyesight camera. This is just a test to see if this is how this microphone is supposed to be used, and I imagine we'll find that this is correct, so this microphone will not work for our recordings.